Now let's look at part 3. Part 3 will be dealing with section 2 that we had left out, that will be dealing on descriptive statistics. We'll also check on the kurtosis and skewness. So what we go ahead and continue, we click open our file which is on downloads and it's grades. Okay, open. Now it has opened. So we said if you want to do descriptives, just click descriptives. Now our question for section 2 is here. It says calculate measures of central tendency and dispersion. We are using this grades document and we want to include only the mean, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis. And we'll be using this time, we are using GPA and quiz 3. Let's do that for quiz 3. Now we'll come here, we will select the GPA here, click GPA, then click this arrow to send it here. That's great. Then we go on quiz 3, this arrow again. Now this is the discrete statistics that has been displayed, but we only need the mean, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis, but you don't need the mean, maximum, and the other parts. So we'll come here on statistics. We check out these ones, and we check skewness and kurtosis, and we uncheck this and this, and that's all that is needed for that question for section 2. So we have the mean, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis for it. Also it's asking about what the skewness and kurtosis tells us. Okay, come back here to this. So we look at the standard deviations. Okay, the standard deviations are not that big, so it means most of the data for GPA and the quiz 3 scores are close to the mean. Also we look at the skewness for GPA. Skewness is negative. This tells us that it's the left skewed distribution. This one is also telling us that skewness is left-tailed. That's great. As we can see here, as noted above, the GPA scores are slightly negative, indicating that the decision is skewed to the left. So it's skewed to the left. Also, since this variety also means that distribution is flatter than the normal distribution. Also, this one is negative, but you can see it's very close to the 0 to 0. This indicates that the distribution is nearly symmetrical. Now we look at the kurtosis. The kurtosis tells us about the nearness to about the compares it the distribution to the normal distribution. Since this is negative, it means that the distribution is nearly flat. Also look at this one is positive, which indicates that the distribution is more peaked than the normal distribution. So yeah, that's all you need for that part.